Hello! In this video we would like to share the best display settings to change on your regular Android 13 system running device. Alrighty, so let's enter the settings and display category. So the first option that we would highly recommend is you try checking out this very popular dark theme. It can also be called the dark mode, and once activated, as you can see, it makes everything look dark, therefore reducing the eye fatigue, so the screen becomes easier to look at, as well as preserves and saves the battery, the power. So if you would like to either give your eyes some rest or decrease the battery usage, just go for the dark theme and enable it. Also, as a bonus, you can set some custom schedule for this mode to be automatically enabled and disabled. So just go for the turn on custom time and set the time frames. Alrighty. The next option is called night light, and once activated, it tints your screen amber, therefore reduces the excess amounts of blue light. And as it was with the dark theme, it prevents the eye fatigue from working with the display of your device for too long. It also contains the same schedule feature, as well as this intensity bar that allows you to, surprise, regulate and adjust and change the intensity of the nightlight effect. So you can make it kinda dim, should I say, or crank it up all the way up and make the colors and the interface very, very warm looking. Alrighty, the next configuration or the next option of display category of settings is called colors. And in here you're able to choose between 3 color presets: natural, boosted and adaptive. It may vary from device to device, but any device that will run Android 13 will contain this colors presets in one way or another. And I think from my experience, each device will also have one or more preview pictures that you can very visually see the colors at, therefore knowing exactly what the colors that you have opted for look like exactly. And so in my case, on my device, it's natural, boosted and adaptive color presets to choose from. I'll go with the boosted colors myself. Alrighty, so now the next feature is called increased touch sensitivity. It also, I suppose the most device will have it. So once activated, it improves the touch sensitivity when using the screen protectors or the protective glass. So as you can see, which is in my case true, as you can see this little outline which indicates that I'm using the protective glass. Therefore, if you feel like after the installation of the tempered glass or protective film or whatever other protective stuff that you have installed onto your phone, the sensitivity, the screen display sensitivity is lacking, just go ahead and turn this toggle on, and this should kind of fix the problem. And the final option that we would like to highlight is usually not present in all the phones, but it is true for some. It is called differently: screen refresh rate, smooth display, silky display, or whatever. In my case, it is small display, and once this toggle is disabled, it gives me 60 Hz of the screen refresh rate, and once I switch this toggle or switch on, it increases the display refresh rate all the way up to 120 Hz. So basically, the higher you go, or the higher value you go for, the smoother and silkier animations you get. But at the same time, the 60 Hz or the smaller values, because those values can be 60, 90, 120, 144, it depends on the phone really. The lower you go for, you lose the smoothness, you lose the silkiness, the animations are rougher, are more stubborn, should I say. But at the same time, it really significantly decreases the battery and power usage. So if you would like to save some battery health and make your device run on a single battery charge for longer, just opt for smaller values. But if your power is currently sufficient, you can very bravely and surely opt for the higher values as I'm doing right now. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.